Hi guys, this is 2018 Ford EcoTech. So this car had a problem is like overheating the car. So I'm going to do today going to replace for the thermostat housing, the inbuilt thermostat valve. You can see the thermostat housing. It comes temperature sensor. You can see the inside thermostat in there. So in coming here. So I'm going to replace for the complete housing. So we have to drain the coolant first. So then have to do the battery and the air cleaner housing, and we have to reach for the thermostat housing in here. Guys, you can see the thermostat housing. You get the one temperature sensor in here. So we have to off this hose and this one, and get this one. Press it, then pull it back. That's it. And the one bottom is one clip in here, and that is sensor. Okay, we need the number 8 socket. We need to off the number 8 bolts. So one bolt. Two. Okay, 3 and 4. This is 4 bolts. Okay, here's the thermostat there. Okay guys, here the cylinder head, the house inside. So there coming is another bolt in here. I'm going to install the new thermostat housing. Okay, here the new gasket. They have already new gasket. I'm going to install. So I put some silicone loops easy for the hoses going back. Okay guys, I tied all the 4 bolts, so I'm going to put back all the wiring connector harness. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, then have to install everything, put it back together. Guys, we put back everything together. So then we have to do put to the coolant in the system. Okay guys, we start the car. Car is running fine. You can see the system is auto bleeding. Temperature is alright. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We'll see you next one.